You ready for a tip?
Always.
When you're dealing with providers,
Mm.
banks, lawyers,
Oh.
accountants, you got to vet who wants your business.
Sure.
This isn't an ad or a sponsor read.
No, I know.
I am incredibly frustrated with this Bank of America.
Mm.
Like, bane of my existence.
my
But for
bank.
some reason, the worst bank ever. I can't take a Bank of America. It's just like every time I want to get something done, Bank of America is like, oh, let's increase the degree of difficulty.
Sure.
You know, like Mercury Bank wasn't available for personal. Now Mercury Bank's available. Other banks are available. So I tell my team, like, for 3 years, get rid of Bank of America, get rid of Bank of America. Nobody listens to me. They're like, oh, well, you know, okay, yeah, we'll get to it, but it always goes down the list. So finally I put my foot down because something important happened. Like, I needed to go to Vegas and I needed like 20 dimes to go gamble. And I couldn't get my 20 dimes out of the bank, but I have millions of dollars.
They
in.
were,
So I was like,
they were giving you agita about getting your 20 dimes out of the bank?
It's enough already.
That's crazy.
So I say, okay, line up 3 banks, put me on the CC list, open up an account, just the basic checking savings account combo, open them all up, you know, get me the bank people on the line. Oh, they're very excited, big fan of the pods, you know, blah, blah, blah. I said, great. They're like, okay, well, let us know what we can do for you. I said, oh, actually, there is something you can do for me. Get me $10,000 in $2 bills. Get me $10,000
$2 bill
in $2 bills.
They're rare. I have one in my desk drawer, a $2 bill.
One bank.
Wow.
Got me.
There it is.
My bricks. And that's but one brick.
That's
anyway.
one. That's a lot of bills.
I mean, it's 5,000 bills.
I didn't even know there were that many $2 bills still in circulation. I thought they were like a rare.
They still print them.
Thing.
They are rare. And I got them brand new from the mint in the plastic brick bag.
Oh my God.
Like you sometimes get when you go to Vegas and have a big win.
Yeah.
As you can see, Donald Trump has signed them all for me.
Of course.
Signed Donald Trump.
What bill? He's going on a bill, right? Donald Trump's picture?
I think he's going on dollar bills.
Yeah.
Anyway, the point of this is it's the brown M&M's theory of the rider.
Yes.
Somebody put in their rider, hey, take out all the brown
M&Ms.
M&Ms.
Van Halen is the famous origin of this. Yeah.
Yeah, so you can explain it to everybody.
In Van Halen's rider, they famously said, we don't like brown M&Ms. We want a big dish of M&Ms, but no brown M&Ms. And then that became like this, or was it green? It might have been green. I don't remember the color.
It was brown.
But at first, people thought this was like, oh, these rock stars, they're unbearable with their demands. But Van Halen later explained that, well, that was how they made sure that the people at the venue were actually reading the rider. If they came in, they saw the dish of M&Ms, it had the wrong color in it. They were like, these people did not pay attention to detail. Now we got to go check the lights. We got to go check the amps. We got to go check the instruments. We got to make sure, because now we know that these guys are not detail oriented.
Exactly. Here's the thing. You got to pick your partners correct. You always want to have great partners.
Yeah.
And if you want a great partner, an exceptional partner for all of your back end needs, whether it's bookkeeping, whether it's accounting, any of that stuff.
Payroll, benefits, taxes.
You know, you want somebody who's detail oriented and is going to get you the $2 bills and take out the brown M&M. If you've got an engineering team at your company, I'm betting there's a solid chance they're spending far too much time on infrastructure. You need your team building your product to delight your customers, not configuring your virtual network. Render is the all-in-one cloud platform for developers that allows you to deploy, scale, and secure your apps and agents with zero ops. Most cloud platforms ask you to split your focus between product and infrastructure, or they force you into platform constraints that you know you'll outgrow in 6 months. But just connect your GitHub repo to Render and you are live. L-I-V-E. Web services, cron jobs, manage Postgres, the whole stack in one platform. It's time to find out why 5 million developers are already using Render. Go to render.com/twist and apply for the Render Startup Program. You'll get anywhere from $500 to $100,000 in free credits, depending on your stage and who your backers are. That's render.com/twist.